Good morning everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So we did come back down and test the 3400. We actually went quite a little bit past the 3400, but we are still trading in a channel. And I think the one thing that you do want to do here is be very clear where the Fibonacci levels are. You've also got the daily 50 EMA right where we turned last night. So yeah, we did have a bit of a green day. Far from a green day, a bit of a sell-off yesterday. But yeah, is that a strong sell-off? Probably, but we've sold off straight into support, and that's the area for me to buy. And you'll see my entry still in. It's in the Telegram channel, which I've been a bit lazy on, but yeah, it does look like we have an opportunity to find a bottom here. And the other thing is, what we need to pay attention to now is really a break above this 3410. Okay, so 3410, I have moved my stop up just below this tail now. So, down, not up. Stop was at 3360, and we've just moved it up to there. So it's just a couple of points that I'm saving at the moment, but still, I think it is a fairly decent area to get in. The fact that we fell like that, I mean, it was just fell straight through that support pretty quickly and then came back to test it. So that's the challenge that we have at the moment. We are testing this breakout, and these two areas here, 3397 and 3410, I mean, that's on the daily and the weekly, that zone. So if we reject that zone, I'd expect us to come back down and test this low, possibly form a double bottom, or alternatively break a little bit further down and come on to the bottom of the channel. Bear in mind that the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement is still a little bit further down, and you've also got this magnet down here of a gap as well. Okay, so just bear that in the back of your mind. We get to the hour, still very, very choppy. So you can see up and below the moving average at the moment. So trading to the top side, pulling to the downside, and you look pretty nice pin bar at the moment that's formed on the hour. And we've had confirmation. We are now just consolidating. If we can consolidate in the zone up, test it, then we're looking for the top of the range or the channel and possibly that gap close. Bear in mind, today the breakout is all the way up above the high of yesterday. Okay, so that 3470 is the ultimate breakout that we're looking for at the moment. Well, it's not the high of yesterday, it's the high of Friday. That is the ultimate high that we're looking for. If we get a break above that, that breaks this channel, and that sets us in motion. So for now, pretty small position in, waiting to see what transpires. If we do get up above that area and pull back and find some support on the channel, that's the area to move the stop up, and then we will start looking to add positions onto that. Okay, so for now, we're in the trade, looking pretty good at the moment, but anything can happen, obviously, so we'll just wait and see what transpires. On the markets today, we've got some massive results coming through today, so just keep that in the back of your mind. Politicians aside, let me just get the earnings calendar up today. So politicians aside, they've got their own set of nonsense that's coming out hopefully this week, but I don't think a stimulus is going to happen. So we have Microsoft today, that'll be after the bell. Then we have Pfizer. And remember, Pfizer is one of the drug companies that is developing the vaccine. And then we've got a couple of insurance companies coming out. So some big market cap companies coming out at the moment. AMD and 3M as well, also Caterpillar. So there are some notable results coming out today. So yeah, it's going to be very interesting to see what Microsoft does, because that is going to set the tone for the other FANG stocks, and that will influence the S&P, but also influence the NASDAQ as well. So well worth watching Microsoft stock as well this evening after the bell. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.